Hi guys, my name is Tejendra and you are watching another video of Nokti Chinese Whispers. In this video, I'm going to share my IT experience with you. I did my IT from Amane Khas Resort, which is located in Savai Madhopur district of Rajasthan. I made this video in a particular sequence and that sequence covers all the important topics for discussion. Number 1. Why I did my IT from Amane Khas and how I got selected for it. As I mentioned before, Amane Khas is located in Rajasthan and Rajasthan for me was a completely new place with new people, environment, culture, beliefs, and I knew one thing very well, that going over there will give me more exposure as well as it will add on to my experience, as whenever you step out of your comfort level you learn the most in terms of everything. While talking about Amane Khas is Asia's one of the most luxurious guest tented property. It is spread in 18 acres of land and it has only 10 tents. Can you believe that a property which is spread in 18 acres of land is having only 10 tents? The average room rate for per night stay is more than $1,000 and during my internship the room rate was $1,200 plus taxes. In Indian rupees, it was more than 1,15,000. The feedback given by the guests were really good. Amane Khas is having an unbeatable service. It looks really beautiful. When I saw all these things, I made my mind that now whatsoever happens, I'll do my IT from Amane Khas only. Number 2 is why I didn't do my IT from abroad or any other big property like Taj, ITC, Marriott, Hyatt, Hilton, etc. So honestly speaking, I always wanted to do my IT from abroad in the first place. But due to COVID, unfortunately, international flights were not operating, so it became a major hurdle. Even hotels from Australia mailed me that if I am currently in Australia, then they'll take me in the F&B department. But that was of no use, as at that time I was in India. And the reason why I didn't do it from Indian properties like ITC, Taj or other properties like Hyatt, Marriott is because the IT coordinator of our college had already talked to these properties regarding the interview for industrial training, so I didn't want to do it from there. Number 3 is what all I did there as an intern and how was my experience. As an intern, I worked there in the kitchen department and the housekeeping department. In kitchen department, I worked in the bakery for 31 days. There I learned to make so many dishes. Along with that, I did some other work which I'll tell you later in this video. In housekeeping department, I learned to make bed, I did brooming, I did dusting, I worked in the laundry where I cleaned the uniform, I learned to operate different machines as well as I ironed the clothes using the flat press iron. While talking about experience, it was a really wonderful, enriching learning experience that I had. I don't have any regret that I did my IT from Amane Khas. Number 4. This one is really interesting. How much I was getting paid over there and what was my duty hours. So I was getting paid 1000 rupees per month, which is 33 rupees per day, and my working hours were not fixed. What I was told by the HR was that my working hours will be from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the night, but that was not true, to be honest. Number 5 is, was it worth to do my IT from Amane Khas? Then yes, it was worth to do my IT from there because I got the exposure, the experience, the learning. I achieved all the things which I wanted, for which I went there. Number 6 is, should you do your IT from Amane Khas? What is my suggestion on that? Then to be honest, I would want you to do your IT from a business property rather than a resort, because you will get to learn more in a business property rather than a resort. Especially in case of Aman Khas, my training in Aman Khas could have been more better. If you'll ask me that you should join Aman as an intern or not, then I'll say please do not join it as an intern. You should always do your training from a place where you get to learn the most. It's not like that I haven't learned anything, I learned. But what I feel is that I could have learned more in a business property. Number 7 is, how was the behavior of other people towards me? All of them were really good towards me. Nobody ever behaved rudely. You'll hear from other people that when I was training in a particular property, people behaved rudely with me. This is one of the common thing which hotel management students will say. But I am lucky that nobody ever behaved wrong with me. Nobody talked to me rudely. Everyone behaved very nice, and I really appreciate this fact. What to expect and what not to expect. See, as I mentioned before, when I was in kitchen, I learned to make so many dishes. Along with that, I did a lot of work which I never expected. For example, I worked in place of kitchen stewards. I did a lot of cleaning as in deep cleaning every day. What I expected was that there was going to be a fixed shift time, but there was no fixed shift time in the kitchen department. I thought that I'll get a good pay. You can expect accommodation from your property if it's located in outskirts of a city, or even if it is not located in outskirts of a city, then they might provide you accommodation. They give you uniform. But this year what happened was, students were asked to bring their own uniforms, and in my case I was provided uniform by the property, and most of the people were provided uniform by the property. Few of them were given accommodation. Like me, I got the accommodation. You can expect all the 3 meals. Definitely you can expect learning, exposure, experience. And what you should not expect is that people will come, that like for example chefs or any other people will come to you and they'll teach you. No, it is you who want to learn. You should be the one who should go and ask questions. You should be the one who is collecting information. Never expect other people in the organization to come to you and they'll teach you. They will teach you if you are the one who is taking initiative of asking, initiative of collecting the information. You can always expect the unexpected because you don't know what's coming for you. So that was all about my IT experience. If you found the video helpful, then press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends.